realized I had a snoring issue in my early 30s, but it didn't cause me to lose sleep when I was single. Over the past several years, snoring has really affected my ability to sleep and even to remain asleep. Droopy, didn't get as much done during the day, just didn't feel energetic, and was generally not very happy.
He actually had a nickname of Master Napper because
Oh, wow.
known for his many daytime naps, trying to, I guess, account for the sleepless hours in the middle of the night.
It's a fantastic experience. Snorelax has allowed me to breathe easier. I feel less rested and more energetic during the day. The product's easy to use, takes less than 30 seconds to apply. It feels comfortable when you're wearing it. It doesn't hurt to remove in the morning, and it peels off like a Band-Aid.
I was able to have a full night's sleep. I found that I too was rested during the day, energetic,